What? Look at me, eh?
I see your picture.
Ng araw, ako'y humihiling na pa-like, share, and subscribe ng ating channel.
Wala sa mood maglaro ang Roblox player natin today. Gusto lang yata niya manood ng Crab Monster. Ay, nako. Tinatamad na naman siya maglaro. Sila nga manood. Nakikipanood na nga rin tayo. Naku, darating na yung butcher. Nakakatuwa naman ang squid na to. May crab legs, iba't ibang klase. Gugulong-gulong lang tuloy. Hala. Hala, yan na yung butcher niya. Patay. Ayaw pa tumakbo. Ikot-ikot lang.
This is my little monster. You can hatch one and even give them a name, like Chomp. Chomp. Oh, yeah, you got hit with the same move.
You're not in the mood playing today? You just wanna watch? Watch. You don't wanna play? Well, so next time na lang. Ayaw ng ating Roblox player. Salamat. Bye-bye. Ayaw kasing maglaro.